Welcome back, everybody. Today we are going to be making the Cherry Gold Rush. For this cocktail, we're going to start off with 3/4 ounce of honey syrup, 3/4 ounce of fresh squeezed lemon juice, 3/4 ounce of Tart cherry juice, and then I dribbled. Good. And then 2 full ounces of your favorite brand of bourbon.
Told you to make it.
I did. I made more mess.
What?
I don't know. It's everywhere. I don't know. Anyway, okay. So once we have all the ingredients in the shaker tin, we are going to add ice. More mess. What's going on?
Call this one a hot mess.
I don't know. I'm the hot mess express today. Okay. I don't know. All right. Now that we have everything in there, including the ice, we are going to shake for about 15 to 20 seconds or until it's ice cold in our hands. All right. We're going to take our rocks glass and we're going to get a BFC or a big, maybe, behave. A big cube. All right. So we did use that fresh squeezed lemon juice. We're going to double strain. My little rocks, my BFC is not very BFCing. He's kind of sad. It's a mini BFC. I don't know. I know I am. All right, we're going to double strain right over our cube. I promise it tastes a lot better than it looks. Just saying. Sometimes the packaging is not always the prettiest, but it's delicious nonetheless. Et voila. Anywho's, okay. For a cocktail garnish, we're going to use a very, very dehydrated steak. I tell you what, everything is just not cooperating with me today. Dehydrated lemon wheel. And then because I know for a fact, I tested it, it did not work. I'm putting a skewer on it for our cherry. Because it ain't going to sit on there. All right. So there we have our Cherry Gold Rush. Now, it looks beautiful. Ta-da-da. Take your pictures. Chicka. Get out of here. Okay. We're going to taste. Remember the scale. 5, I could drink it all night. 1, probably going to have one and move on to the next one, right? Okay. We're going to taste. We're going to sniff. Oh, this is dehydrated. Wow, that's potent. Okay, well, I don't smell nothing but my dehydrated fruit. Oh, very nice. So this one is definitely a little bit more spirit forward. It's not overwhelming though, but you're definitely, like, the bourbon is right at the forefront. You get a little bit of the tart from the cherry. Gorgeous cherry flavor. It's not, again, not something super powerful. The lemon juice just kind of balances it out. This is a very good cocktail. I know it doesn't look very pretty, but hey, we know, to each their own. But for me, I think I'm going to give this guy, I think I'm going to go with a 3 out of 5. I could definitely have a second one of these, but bourbon doesn't always agree with Juliana. So I'm going to guess that probably 2 or 3 of these, I'm going to be feeling real good. So I'd have to cut myself off after that. But highly recommend. This is a very, very good cocktail. It is. Would you please? The dog is running around with a bag on his foot. Oh, my life is so exciting. Anywho.
Hot Mess Mondays.
Hot Mess Monday. Yes. Anyway, so make sure if you try the cocktail, ingredients are listed down below if you want to give it a try. Let me know what your rating is and if you like the cocktail. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel because I do these kind of shenanigans legit every day. So I cannot wait until I see you guys at the next pour. Cheers.